Hi, I'm Dave. Lance and I go way back, from the Olympics in '96 to the Postal and Discovery days, and now we do. After close to 20 years on the road, we thought it would be fun to take a look behind the curtain. We'll share some tips and tricks on the bike, talk to a few people I've met along the way, and who knows what else. I'm totally making this up as I go. So today, I want to talk about something a little bit different. Like we've talked about all sorts of things on here, but sometimes it's just fun to do something a little bit, I don't know, fun, rather than maintenance of either the equipment or whatever. So we've got this great sponsor on here at We Do, LMNT, and I love their drink mix. I particularly love their watermelon drink mix. But recently I was thinking it was really hot out and I kind of wanted something a little bit more than just an LMNT. And I thought, I wonder what that would taste like if you mixed it in a cocktail. So I've devised this little cocktail. You start out with 8 ounces of water and you're going to make a simple syrup. And I've got it in this cool little bottle here. But 8 ounces of water, 1 packet of your favorite LMNT. I happen to love watermelon, although I think the grapefruit would be really good in this too. There's not anything about it that says it shouldn't be great. So 8 ounces of water, 1 packet of your favorite LMNT drink mix, and a teaspoon of agave syrup. Mix that up, let it dissolve, and then pour it up. And then from that, we're gonna make our drink. So we're gonna start out with 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. Mine happens to be Lift. So 2 ounces. I usually just make this in a shaker. Pour it right in. To that, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of our LMNT. I'm going to call it a simple syrup. But that's really what it is. It's not super sweet, but pour that in. And then to that, we're going to squeeze in, and I've already got one kind of preloaded here. We're going to add 1 ounce of lime juice. Guess I need to cut another one of these bad boys up. And pretty close to 1 ounce right there. Pour that. I also like to save the good mint. I've got some good mint here growing in my little front yard, and I kind of beat it up a little bit. Got some ice. Put a little ice in here. Put a little ice in my glass. Give it a nice little shake. And we've got a nice, refreshing summer, or anytime really, drink. It's perfect. Thank you, LMNT. Thank you, Lyft. All right, you guys have fun. Later.